Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LMFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, I'm stumbling over my words because this was some pretty sketchy price action. I want to call it a pump and dump, but that's not quite fair because the price still has an opportunity to build a higher base. And like I said, to be fair to the bulls, it's looking like the price has tried to level out here during the latter part of the day, right here at $2.50. And if this price action continues, meaning if going forward the price action continues to just bounce around and flirt right around the 250 range. I mean, if it goes to 247, okay, fine. But right around 250 and then starts to work its way back upwards, then again, in the spirit of being fair to the bulls, what would that give you? Well, you'd have a set of those right here. You'd have the previous set down there. And if you picture those as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. However, in the event the price breaks down through 250 and then just keeps separating and separating and separating, if that were to happen, I mean, at that point in time, that would, the price would literally be back to right where it all started before the big breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. And the further the price separates, to the downside from 250, is the closer and closer the price becomes to going, quote unquote, back to where it was. And that's just not a sign of true strength. And that's pretty much what a pump and up is, right? Price makes an awesome move, which this price has done, no doubt about it. I think we can all agree from where it started there to where it went all the way up there. That was an awesome move. And then within a short amount of time, it can go back to where it all started. And given that this is all potentially happening within 1 or 2 days, again, I think we can all agree that this would be a relatively short amount of time. So am I calling it a pump and dump? Not yet. You got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt right now. They could still technically build a higher base, build a higher stair step. But without doubt, 250 is a very important level going into tomorrow. So we'll see how the price reacts with it.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.